That's right, and this week's snowstorm will definitely be remembered for a long time in central Georgia, especially given how rarely these events occur in our area. And while snow like this in the south is like catching lightning in a bottle, this week's snow and other events like the Great Southeastern Snowstorm of 1973 are reminders that heavy snow is possible in our area. For snow to occur in the south, many ingredients need to align. The first thing that we need is the presence of frigid cold air that causes temperatures to be consistently below freezing. This happens when a weak jet stream, which typically holds Arctic air towards the north, dips farther south, bringing in cold air with it. Even with the cold air in place, it's still not enough to guarantee snow. That is because we need moisture, the most crucial ingredient for snow development. When we have moisture, any low pressure system in the south can feed off the moisture and allow this ingredient to interact with cold air, bringing us a snow chance. The location and the track of the low pressure system are also essential. Being too close to the center of the low could change the precipitation, as the air near the center is generally warmer than the surrounding air. If you're not far enough, the precipitation will likely be wintry mix or a cold rain. However, all of these needed ingredients came together for snow events like this week's and the snowstorm of 1973. For both of these events, a strong low pressure system tracked farther south in the Gulf of Mexico, allowing snow to be our main form of precipitation. During the 1973 southeastern snowstorm, a 50-mile-wide swath of heavy snow brought over a foot of snow to the northern half of central Georgia. The highest snow total observed in Georgia was Thomaston, where 19.3 inches were recorded. Most of central Georgia also experienced record-breaking snow, with Macon recording 16.5 inches of snow. For our most recent snowstorm, the highest totals were instead recorded in our southernmost counties, as Chris County experienced the most snow in central Georgia with 9 inches observed. Totals were lower for areas farther north, as Macon observed an estimated total of 2.1 inches. While the totals were not as high as the Great Snowstorm of 1973, the snow that fell this past Tuesday will still be remembered in the future. Meteorologist David Guerrero, 13 WMAZ.